Hey everybody, welcome to another father and son adventure video. And Gino, as you can probably see by the look on his face, is very excited because he has 10 packs, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10
1, 2, 3,
of the
4,
new
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Pokemon.
10. Evolving Skies set.
These just came out
Couple days ago.
2 days ago?
I'm pretty sure a couple days ago.
So we're going to do a little unboxing video or unwrapping, a pull video. And I'm going to let Gino take over here.
Okay, we got 10 packs. Got the first.
Speak up so they can hear you.
And now I have never opened this set before. I've never in my life. We got Mareep, Drowsy, Scraggy, Freebuzz, Hitmonchan, and we got what is this? Hop-Ip, and a Rainbow Rare Trainer Gordy. Really good card. I don't know. Energy. Oh no! Really new pet. Boldore, Aroma Lady, and Moon and Sun badge. And I've got the code card.
Well, at least you have a degree, not like you take a year off of actual school.
Open the pack. It's code card. Freeze. Slacko. Petalil. Pikachu, my favorite card. Pumpakoo. Boo. I don't know what the name is. I don't know. Rufflet. Bravery. Giglich. Energy. Pyroar. Virgoth. And a Treasure Energy. On to the next pack. Got one amazing good card with a cute card, please. Hippopotas, Lil Pop, Nicket, what is this? Bergamite, Ruganola, Toy Catcher, and we got a Noivern V, Energy, Switching Cups, Tentacruel, and we got another Boldore. So far, we got this card, Noivern. We got a Rainbow Rare Gordy Trainer. So let's open another pack. Another code card freeze. Punkaboo, Carvana, Gossifleur, Fletchling, Scraggy, Crustle, and a Hollow Rare Lidocolo. Lidocolo. Energy Water. Gearsing, Crystal Cave, and another Toy Catcher. And on to our another pack. Another code card for you guys. Psyduck, Eevee, Cutie Fly, Pikachu, Applin, and a Teddiesura. See, and then we got a Galarian Moltres Hollow Rare. Cool. Energy, Rainbee, Avalugg, and a ribbon badge. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs to go. Let me open this pack. Got another code card for you guys. Flabébé, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchilla, Denio, Ampharos, and a Dialga Hollow Rare. And another energy, Aroma Lady, Rescue Carrier, and a Scraftly. Got 4 more packs to go, and let's pick this one. Cute card. Dwebble, Mareep, Drowsy, Scrabby, Free Buzz, Rescue Carrier, Ampharos, Energy, Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, and a Shell Gun. So 3 more packs to go. Code card. An energy. Woo! SQ. Scroll of Flying Dragon. Crustle. Love Disc. C-Dot. Slackoth. Flabébé. Carvanha. Tentacruel. And a Talonflame. Got 2 more packs to go. Let's go with the Umbreon. Code card. Drowsy. Scraggy. Bagon. Woobat. Timepole. Dwebble. Stoutland. Energy. Pebitoad. Gold Duck. And a Boost Shake. Last one, come on. I don't want to just end off with 2 really ultra rares. It's not how we end the video. Good card. Hitchachan. Slackoth. Petilly. Pikachu. Punkaboo. And Hitmonchan. Sharpedo. Energy. Swoobat. Lumbray, and Lucky Ice Pop. So what we got was Noivern, Dialga, Larry and Moltres, Latigola, and we got a Gordy Rainbow Rare Trainer. So that's all for this video, and we'll see you next time.
So we want to thank everybody for watching, and Gino, tell them what to do.
Like, subscribe, and press that notification bell.
All right, thank you, everybody.